Yo, what up? This is Christian from the Architect channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add trees to your Revit model. First thing you're going to do is go up to the ribbon and click on Masking a Site, and right under that click on Site Component. You'll see a list of trees and honey locust. Add that in. You go for common apple, add that in, and it's honestly as easy as that. I know a lot of people know how to do this already, but this is something I recently learned. You can also find these exact same trees by clicking on Component and literally just searching up tree. So I know a lot of people don't use the masking site tool, so this is well, look at that big boy. Sorry, got a little distracted there, but you can always just search it up under the component tab. But while I have you here, let me teach you a few things about these trees. No matter what view you're in, like the graphic display view, wireframe, hidden line shaded, etc., they'll always have these little circle graphics. If you go into the 3D view, man, I wish I could turn these off by default. You'll see that they're kind of these, like almost like what's it called, a diorama, like these small plastic schematic trees, and they may not be the view you're trying to get, but honestly, it's better than nothing at the end of the day. One thing about this though is if you change it to realistic, it will give you a more realistic view, but I mean, who would have thought, honestly? But it's just a PNG tree that's always facing you. So you'll see if I start rotating it, the trees will just always face me no matter what direction I'm coming from. The weird thing about this is that if you go head on, they become kind of flat, and that's where their fatal flaw is, honestly. But these are really good if you're just doing like flat head-on views. So that's that. I know we honestly don't have the biggest selection of trees over here. There is a way to find a few more trees. If you go to the Insert tab, go to Load Family, and if you already have the Revit downloadable content upgrade, or not upgrade, it's like a free library you can download. You should have all of these folders in here. You can drop down. This is how you get there. Hopefully I'm not exposing info about myself or anything. But if you don't see these folders, I'm going to be making an additional video on how to download these for free as well. But all you have to do is go to the planning category and you see a few more options. Yo, we got a shrub. Let's load that in. Let's load that shrub in. I thought it was only trees. This is truly a beautiful day. Oh my gosh. 3 options. This is amazing. An amazing day, truly. But let's go back to hidden line. And one last thing, these trees, you can change their heights. You're not going to see anything in this properties panel. But if you go to edit type, duplicate if you want. I'm not going to do it for this video, but you can edit the height. So right now it's 25. If I want to make it shorter, I can type 10 feet, apply, okay. And you see that shrunk. I can also make it bigger. Let's have a humongous tree. Oh boy, man. That's a big tree right there. And you can see that even though we're just editing the height and width are kind of linked together. So if I put it back to 25 feet, you'll see that it also shrinks width-wise as well. Or diameter-wise, I mean. But that's how you add trees in Revit. Pretty simple, honestly. I probably didn't even need to make a video on this, but I figured I'd do it anyway. Anyways, leave a like if you enjoyed, leave a comment if this helped you, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos. Alright, see ya.